Struggling to create a Discord server from scratch? Learn how to set up your own server in under 3 minutes. First, we'll create the server from scratch, then add text and voice channels. Let's dive in. Start by heading over to Discord and logging into your account. Then, look for the plus icon on the left sidebar labeled Add a Server and click it. You'll see 2 options: create your own from scratch or pick a pre-made template. For this walkthrough, go ahead and choose Start from a template. Click on the Gaming Community template. Next, decide if the server is for a club or community, or just for friends. Select For Friends and Me for this demo. Now, type in a name for your server. You can also upload an optional icon image to personalize it. Once you're happy, click Create to set up the server. To add a text channel, click the plus icon next to Text Channels. Give your new channel a name. If you want it private, toggle the Private Channel option. Finally, click Create Channel to finish. Similarly, for a voice channel, click the plus icon next to Voice Channels. Make sure channel type is set to Voice. Enter a name for the voice channel. Optionally, mark it as private. Then click Create Channel, and you're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.